What's up everybody, this is Danny, and today I'm going to unbox the new Huawei Mate 20 RS Porsche design. This is one of the most expensive phones that I have unboxed on the channel, topping out at a whopping 2,049 euros, which is insane. But for that price, you do get a nice presentation, including a premium box. This is the black model, but there's also a beautiful red model that is available. I heard that one is exclusive to China though, but what comes in the box doesn't change. So let's see what you get. The first thing you're going to see is the phone itself. I love that center presentation. We will put that to the side and get more into the specs later. On top, you get a metal authenticity card, which is a nice touch. On the bottom, you'll find a generous amount of accessories, all in black, which I really like. First up are the headphones, and these are pretty standard looking, but they are USB-C since the phone does not have a headphone jack. And the interesting thing about this package is that you not only get one, but two 45-watt charging bricks that can charge this phone 70% in 30 minutes for 2 different countries. So I guess they're assuming that you're a baller who travels a lot if you can afford this phone, and they give you 2 USB Type-C cords too. And I wish that the new 40-watt car charger was in here, but maybe we'll see that in the next one. Finally, you get a pouch with the matching black flip case. I hope the red one comes with a red matching case, so let me know if you have one. There is a square cutout for that new triple camera system, and while I'm not a huge fan of the flip case myself, but if you're a fan of that, you can see and feel the design of Porsche bleeding into the case, and it does look and feel really nice. I'll put that case to the side, and the last thing in this package is a little box, and on the back is a SIM card removal tool. And when you open it up, you get a couple pieces of paperwork. The white book is warranty information, and the black book is some good bathroom reading. This is thick. There's a ton of different languages in here, so happy reading to those who like massive manuals. So let's get to the real question. What is the real difference between this and the regular Huawei Mate 20 Pro, and why does it command this substantial price increase? I was actually lucky enough to visit the Porsche Design Center, and they stressed how much work goes into the design of this phone, and it's meant to be an exclusive phone specifically made for the high-end market. So if you don't care about any of that, then go for the Mate 20 Pro because the experience will pretty much be the same. The biggest notable difference is this leather and glass design on the back. This premium leather takes 4 weeks to make by hand, and I do have to say it looks beautiful and feels premium as well, giving the phone more grip and a unique feel. So you're going to either love it or you're going to hate it. And using this for the day, I have to admit, if money was no object, this is the version of the Mate 20 that I would want to use. This is really striking. It has the same triple camera system as the Mate 20 Pro with the 40 megapixel main sensor, the 20 megapixel ultra wide angle, and the 8 megapixel 3x telephoto lens. But on the RS, there is no camera bump at all and is flush to the body, which is really sleek. The specifications are also at the highest level possible, topping out at 8 gigabytes of RAM and 512 gigabytes of internal storage. So this is the top end configuration that's only available on the Porsche design, but the rest is the same as the Mate 20 Pro with that 6.39 inch Quad HD Plus OLED display, which looks really colorful. It's bright, it's sharp, you will not be disappointed. It has the same power with the new 7nm 8-core Kirin 980 processor, dual speakers, EMUI 9.0 with Android Pie, IP68 water resistance, facial recognition, in-display fingerprint scanner, and that huge 4200 mAh battery with wireless charging and reverse wireless charging. This phone is a beast. So I'm really curious, what do you guys think? Is the incredible blend of racing-inspired design and top-of-the-line specs worth this premium increase, or would you just stick with the Mate 20 Pro? I guess you can look at it like this. This is the same argument when you buy a car. If you want a great car, but you're on a budget, you're going to buy the best car that money can buy you in that class. But if you want something more luxurious with a nicer exterior and a more refined interior, this is where the Mate 20 Porsche Design RS comes in. If you can afford it, this is the best that Huawei has to offer in terms of design and functionality. And while most people will be fine with the Mate 20 Pro, this option is here if luxury is the focal point of your smartphone experience. So that does it for this video. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Check the channel for more Huawei Mate 20 Pro and Mate 20 coverage, and thumbs up for unboxing in a Porsche. That was really fun, and I will see you guys in the next one.